Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian collagen powder at home. First, gather your plant-based protein sources like pea or rice protein and vitamin C-rich ingredients such as acerola cherry powder. You'll also need silica from bamboo extract. These components are crucial for mimicking the benefits of traditional collagen. We'll then blend and process them into a fine, usable powder. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a high-quality supplement. To begin, you'll need specific ingredients. Start with 1 cup of pea protein and 1/4 cup of rice protein for a robust amino acid profile. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of acerola cherry powder, a potent source of vitamin C, vital for collagen synthesis. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of bamboo extract, which provides natural silica. You'll also need a high-speed blender and a dehydrator or oven set to a low temperature for drying. Now let's make the powder. First, combine all your dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. Gradually add a small amount of filtered water, about 1/4 cup, mixing until it forms a thick, spreadable paste. Spread this paste thinly, about 1/8 of an inch, onto a dehydrator tray or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Dehydrate at 115 degrees Fahrenheit until it's completely dry and brittle. Once your powder is dry, grind it into a fine consistency using your blender. You can then mix 1 to 2 tablespoons into your daily smoothies, coffee, or other beverages. This homemade vegetarian collagen powder supports healthy skin elasticity, strengthens hair, and promotes strong nails. It's a fantastic way to boost your wellness naturally. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Store your finished powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.